The Roomba Combo J7 Plus is one of the smartest robot vacuums ever created by iRobot, combining powerful vacuuming and mopping features in a single device. What makes this model truly stand out is its advanced AI technology, which helps it intelligently avoid obstacles, ensuring it won't get stuck or create a mess. This makes it a highly effective tool for keeping your home clean without constant supervision. Additionally, it features a self-emptying base station that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and dust, which is perfect for busy households. While the Roomba Combo J7 Plus may not have the same raw power as iRobot's flagship Roomba J9 Plus, it offers a fantastic balance of performance and affordability. The Combo J7 Plus is a great option for those who want the latest in robotic cleaning tech without splurging on the high-end model. At the moment, there's a huge $400 discount, bringing the price down to just $699.99, making it an even more attractive deal. This combo vacuum and mop model combines the cleaning capabilities of Roomba's vacuuming technology with Braava's mopping system, a feature that iRobot has only recently introduced. While other brands have had combo devices for years, iRobot waited until it was confident it could offer a solution that doesn't compromise on either the vacuuming or mopping fronts. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus cleans effectively and efficiently, whether it's tackling dirt, dust, or stains, and it does so while being mindful of obstacles like furniture or pet items on the floor. Another significant advantage is its AI-powered obstacle avoidance system. This feature is especially helpful if you have pets or children. It ensures that the robot won't accidentally vacuum or mop over pet waste, a common complaint from earlier robot vacuum models. However, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus isn't perfect. It lacks an auto-wash base station, meaning you'll need to clean the mopping pads manually. Additionally, while its price tag is justified by its features, the device is a bit on the expensive side at full price, though the current sale makes it much more affordable. Overall, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, intelligent, and affordable robot vacuum and mop combo. If you've been waiting for a smart robotic cleaner that can tackle all kinds of dirt and mess with minimal maintenance, now is the perfect time to grab this model on sale.